Hello crypto warriors, welcome back again to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to review a meme coin or crypto project. Before, this video is not for any financial advices and I am not a financial advisor. So let's start. Alright. In this video, I will discuss about this project, that its potential or not, like everything. Hope you guys give me your valuable times. Now, as you can see, the website interface in my screen now, and the project name is MEDUSA. So it's a meme coin first of all, like MEDUSA is now Safu. The mythological MEDUSA is now safe and ready to turn the competition to stone. Trade MEDUSA on Ethereum today. So this project or their token is built on Ethereum chain. So obviously their token is available on Etherscan. So obviously here you can see their Etherscan, and here you get their contract address, their total supply and their total holders, and here you can see their transfers, and whatever you want you can check it out for yourself, like in their Etherscan. It's not listed yet right now. There is just launch, we can see that, and they are doing a huge marketing. If you look at like Patripity, the competition, MEDUSA Safu is bringing you a secure and thrilling crypto adventure inspired by the legendary MEDUSA. They have hardness, hard power to protect your investments and petrify the competition. If you look at like Hope on Twitter, like they are promoting their projects on Twitter, which is perfectly. If you look at something about their, this is Safu and Secure, a force to behold, also is standing strong, like here we can see. If you look at like get more out MEDUSA Safu by joining their community, like here you can get their community link. Anyways guys, if you look at their community link, which is you get in the upper right section, like here we can see, and their Twitter, this is the Twitter or X, what you wanted to say you can say. Also their Telegram, presale, their chart, and their trade. By the way, their fair launch, which is upcoming on presale after 11 days, or after 11 days their sale will start on presale, and they are doing an huge marketing. By the way, if you look at their, like they are promoting this project with a YouTuber, like here you can see our video. If you look at their sale type, which is public, current rate not available, and in the website you can see like introduction about MEDUSA and their marketings. Like this is a 100% community driven project, by the way, and they are audited and KYC, and they are liquidity locked for 365 days. And if you look at their contract also re-announced, which is absolutely amazing, and their buy and sell tax, which is also zero. Literally it's amazing. And their 28% supply will be burned, and here we can see the marketing strategies and the marketing which is coming after their sale, we can see. If you look at their tokenomics, like here we can see their initial market cap estimate, like which is 14,000, and if you look at their liquidity percentage, which is 51%, which is absolutely amazing. And they have an affiliate program, by the way, so obviously you can invite your friends to buy it from their pre-sale or their fair launch. And here we can see their token metrics, like here we can see anything about it. So obviously you haven't enough time in your hands to check this project. Just you can join their Telegram community, and you can contact with their admins about this project to learn more about MEDUSA. And they have a very amazing team, very experienced, we can say it, and literally it's amazing. And if you look at their software, which is 5 Ethereum, so I think it's easy to reach 5 Ethereum as amazing crypto project. And if you look at their X profile, so here we can see they have 13.8k followers, around 14k followers they have, and the team is very active. I must say the team is very active, and they are doing an huge marketing to promote like MEDUSA. Here you can see, which is absolutely amazing, and they are doing an ICO, like here we can see, which is on ICO announcements, which is absolutely amazing. And if you look at their token also, like Moon Talk Express, like it's listed their tokens on, like here you can see. Anyways, it's an amazing project as a meme coin, I think, which is literally amazing. And if you look at, like as I said, they are doing any huge marketings, by the way. So that's it about Medusa. And about potential things, their token is not launching yet, but I hope. And about potential things, if I wanted to talk, I must say that this project can be a great project as a meme coin, and it can easily give us 10x to 100x profit. By the way, this is in crypto and anything is possible, also it can be robbed. So please, if you are interested in investing in this project, so please make sure to do your own research. So that's it about this project. For more info, you can join their Telegram community, and please subscribe this YouTube channel for more crypto projects. Peace.